Hello, hello, it's me again. I saw this the other day. I saw these. It looks like dog paws. And they look like they're the back feet. And I'm sure that's a little dog. I think that's his open mouth there. Yeah. I think that's one of his ears. There. And that's the other ear. He's got like, I think he's a Scotty dog. I've not found a dog so far. Well, yeah, I have. On Bieber's Giants, I've found dogs, but not myself. Right, there's a photograph of a little old man, and he's in the hand of a giant, and he's got a border terrier in his rucksack and a poodle he's carrying, that's normal for a poodle. They like to be carried. Yeah, I'm sure that's some sort of fluffy creature. And that's its head. That could even be his mouth there. That might be his tongue. Got me? See? See his head and his two front paws. Screenshot that. And that's at. That is at Holywell Bay, near Trevarnick Holiday Park. I've been there. Trevarnick. This is another. This looks like dog's back legs as well. This looks like its back left leg. Definitely looks like a dog leg. And then this is the right leg. Yeah. I think that's a dog as well. There'll be two doggies there. Yeah. This area must be the head, I think. Ah. Oh, that looks like greyhound ear. Looks like a greyhound. It's funny. There should be a woman at St Ives, and she had an antique shop. She used to have greyhounds 100 years ago, in the 70s, 1970s. How long ago is that now? 30, 40, 50, 54 years ago. Oh my God. Yeah, see? That's the dog's back left leg. Yeah, that's his paw. I was a dog groomer. And that's the dog's back right leg, which quite a bit of it is submerged under the sea. Okay, now this is a front paw. I think it's a greyhound. I've done a lot of building there and messed about with his head. I think that's his eye. That's his ear. Let's lay him down again. Yeah. I don't think this is a short muzzle there. I think his nose finishes here. I think that's his nose. So he's got a long, skinny face. So, yeah, he looks like he's a greyhound. Definitely a greyhound. Love greyhounds. And what's he got? Greyhounds usually catch rabbits, don't they? Is that a bait? Is that a bunny? Has he got a bunny next to him? Is that his prize? His prize rabbit. Is that a rabbit's foot? Or is it a puppy? It's hard to tell. But that's... So you've got a dog there, laying on his back, his legs in the air. And then you've got another one here, laying on his side. Yeah, that's two dogs. 1, 2. What are you crying at? Speaking of dogs, hello. An airport. Oh. My cousin John used to fly Cessnas. Where's this? He probably been to this one. He flew my mum down to Cornwall once from London. Did I remember? Oh. Newquay Airport. Yeah. Newquay. Cornwall Airport. Newquay. Yeah, that's where he went to. She said she would have rather driven. It was a bit bumpy. It was a very, very windy day. Poor mummy. Let's take this off again. Clean. So where is that in relation to the dog? The dog is here. There's his back legs. There's his head. I think and that's his eye there. That is his eye, most definitely. And that's the end of his nose. And that's one of his... his paws kind of held upwards. You know, it's folded over at the knuckle, forearm, before the paw. And then there's another little something here. It's either a rabbit or a puppy. And then the airport is here. It don't look like a gun like Manchester Airport does. That looks like an eye, doesn't it? Let's turn it this way up. I wonder if it's incorporated with something. Someone. No, I can't see anything. Cornwall's just so rich with creatures and giants, and isn't it? There's all, what's his name there? That's the first. I think that's the first one I found in Cornwall. That's cormorant. Look, you can see all his internal organs. That is so incredible. That is just, look at his hips. It's just crazy, isn't it? And then Jack down here. He's Jack the Giant Slayer. That's Jack's head there. And there's Jack's boot. Jack's foot. Jack's foot there. And Jack's foot here. So those pointy shoes on. Keep going over the same stuff. And it's funny because like it looks like he's pointing something at the giant, like a flamethrower, and there's a place, and it's the place here is called St. Blazy. St. Blazy. Hang on. Just go there for a drink. Where's St. Blazy? There it is, look. St. Blazy. And there's some sort of something. Flamethrower. Do you not think? Probably is. Oh, Coleman. He's a big bugger, him. Mate. It's better to clean here. There he is. Bolster. Mr. Bolster. I wonder if they're Bolster's dogs. Where are they gone? Far away are they? No. Well, I don't know. They don't have to be sat right next to him, do they? There it is. There he is. There he's there. And Bolster is over here. No. It's next to Piranapov. It's next to Parent Sands. That's Parent Sands. Bolster's over here. To the right of Parent Sands. Piranapov. And, wait a minute. Right. That dog's a bit big, isn't it? I did measure him the other day, but I'm not looking it up. I'd say he's 3 metres. 3,000 metres, roughly. Piece that dog. Must be an Irish bleeding wolfhound. Right, let's measure this dog first. Head to tail. It's got a doctor tail. It's got his tail cut off. Wait a minute. Measure. Start there. Back to his tail. She's here. Oh my god. The dog is bigger than the giant. Wow. So if that dog's the other one, then the other one's the same, roughly the same size, isn't he? Mm. Could be a Glen of a Mole. Could have swum there. Glen of a Moles are from Ireland. Irlanda. Yeah. I used to groom a Glen of a Mole. It's quite a big dog. It's like a pit bull with short legs and hair. It's fluffy. It looks cute, but it ain't. It's not cute at all, at all, at all. Well, there's this lady, Sarah, and she showed me a cross-legged giant. I have got a missing giant. Bolster's first wife. See, Bolster was married, and him and his wife used to have rows. And that's how they say Zion came about. First Paul, and then, wasn't it? Paul. No. Oh, he's so cute. And he's snoring. I've got a feeling a giant was around there somewhere. Look for St Michael's Mount. Where are we? Be that it? No. Oh. Come on, do the lazy thing. So, Michael's. Now, our Zion. Yeah. Upside down. I did think they were hearts. St Michael's Mount and Mont Saint-Michel in France, en français. But I was looking at this the other day, and I was thinking how much like a skull. It looked like a skull. Yeah, so him and his wife were having a row, and they would throw boulders at each other and make islands. That's one big boulder, that, isn't it? Now, what is this? There's something here. Strange. Well, I can't find the other giant. It's another quarry. Quarries are usually bits of bone, parts of body. The thing is, right, what you have to remember, everything got buried, didn't it? With mud, and it was all underwater. So a lot of stuff is it's not all visible. Either the front end of it or the back end of it or just a bit of it is visible. Not everything can be seen. That's Mousel, isn't it? This is Mousel. That's the mouse's eye. These are his top and bottom teeth. That's Mousel Harbour. And that is a mouse's mouth. Mouse mouth hole. A mouse mouth hole. Incredible. That's just nose. Look, that is just incredible. That is his nostril. It's a caravan park. These are static caravans. Been there. But see, that has been there forever, that little circle. It was hard because it's like it's like cartilage. Do you understand what I mean? So grass didn't really grow on it. So they utilised it as a road and they've tarmacked it. And this is like everything that's bone or cartilage. And then they use the different bits, like they've used his teeth for the wall of the harbour. That's just crazy. There's another island. This must be one of the other rocks she chucked at him. Yeah, she was always throwing rocks at him, so they got a divorce, and then he fell in love with Agnes, and then she made him kill himself, poor old sod. It's St Agnes Day, the end of this month, 21st of January. Looks like an old fella with an umbrella and a long chin. It's not, I don't know. No. Nah. Some things they is and some things they ain't. It needs to be, you need plenty of anatomy. You know? You need a good deal of anatomy and the anatomy in the places that it should be. That could be an eye. That could be a strange creature. That could be a tusk. There are some strange creatures about. Anyway, excuse me. I need to stop now because it's getting boring. I haven't found anything else. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos. Sorry about today, I'm very tired. And I was hoping to find that other giant. I'll have to go looking for her on my own, so you don't get bored. Because I'll just do this for hours and hours and hours. Oh dear. That's an horrible face, that, isn't it? Eh? Nighty night.